different types of GST. Now we are going to see another aspect of it, that is GST number and basic terms related to GST. What is GST number? GSTIN or GST identification number. GST identification number is a GST number which has 15 digit, including PAN number of the person who's applying to get the GST number. A PAN-based unique identification number allotted to every registered person under GST. As a GST registered dealer, you might want to do a GST verification before entering into your GST returns. Now, how does it consist of? 15 digit consist of (27). This is a code of the state. Every state has been given different code. And the PAN card number of the registered user, company number, and the number given by the generated number when you are registering. These are the 15-digit GST number. Remember, it is a 15-digit GST identification number, consists of state code, PAN card number, company number, and the system generated number. Now, when you look at GST, there are certain terms we may be knowing, or you maybe have to be familiar with. These terms are called GST related terms. The GST we already learned, that is goods and service tax. Goods and service tax. Sometimes in the MCQ question, they will ask what is GST means. Goods and service tax. Goods and service tax is a network, and it is a non-profit organization, non-government organization that manages entire IT system of GST portal. Now, if you log on to gst.gov.in, you will get the entire details of GST. Now, this has got various terms. One is called GST, the other one is e-way bill, e-invoice, and TIN-S system, which is a system. Now, let's look at it. Electronic way bill, that is called e-way bill, is basically a compliance mechanism wherein by way of digital interface, the person causing the movement of a goods upload the relevant information prior to commencement of movement of goods and generate an e-way bill on GST portal. Now, let's say, for example, a person is sending goods from Maharashtra to Delhi. The manufacturer or the producer or the person who is sending the goods will get into the GST portal and report and upload necessary information. That is called e-way bill. Now, e-invoicing under GST denotes electronic invoicing defined by the GST law. Just like how GST is generated, businesses use an e-way bill while transporting goods from one place to another. I mean, it is not the bill or invoices that generated by the party, but it will be also generated by it has got a QR code as mentioned here, QR code, which can be scanned and find out from where it is moving, what it is moving. Another one is called tax information exchange system. This is a network system connecting all the states and the sender, where it is a centralized system facilitating information exchanging among central commercial tax department of all the states for better administration of interstate trade. it is called a type of e-governance to find out where the goods are coming from, where it is moving, and the tax can be collected at the easiest way. So we have seen what is a GST number. One side, it is a 15-digit number, and a few terms related to GST, electronic way bill, otherwise called e-way bill, e-invoicing, and tax information exchange system.